I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Hey, get up! Shit!
Babe, I think it's better if we go to the room.
Somebody do. Where?
Let's listen.
Yeah, sleep. I'm tired of you, you know. You don't know where you find yourself up there and sleep. Something wrong with
There
that?
was no space on the couch. Babe, I'm tired.
So go on in your bed.
You're not coming?
Me I watch the Ti-gaz, man. The Ti-gaz.
What can happen to the
thief
Ti-gaz?
can come in here and broke and take it. Them can wake up and come and eat it.
You serious?
Remember, alien can even come on and take it. Remember them talk about the alien pan the news. So is it all Bigfoot loose right now.
Bigfoot?
Yeah, Bigfoot.
Okay, good night. I'm going to sleep.
You know what Discovery?
You can have fun sleeping on the couch. Fucking night.
So come fuck with a nigga. Come fuck with a nigga.